Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Little Genius Chavi. So today we are going to make a ping pong game. So what you need to do is open your scratch screen and rename your project. So I have already renamed my project. So now what you need to do is go in events block and use flag clicked. Then go to motion block and use point in direction 45 proper. Then go in control and forever. Okay, and you need to make 3 sprites. Okay, you will find these 3 sprites in the sprite gallery, and I have chosen a background. You can choose any background from the background gallery. So yeah, so go in motion block and use move 16 steps. Okay, and scroll down and you will find F1 edge bounce. Use that. Then go in events block again and use when flag clicked. Then go in control block and use forever, and then inside control put a condition called if then. Then go in sensing block and use touching mouse pointer, and instead of touching mouse pointer use if touching paddle. Then go in variables and create 2 variables, mouse and score. I have already created. Now set mouse to set score to not set. You need to use change score to 1. I mean by 1. Yeah, proper. Now what you need to do is go in motion block and use turn clockwise 180 degrees and move 15 steps. Yeah, proper. Now go in control block and use wait 0.5 seconds. 0.5 seconds. Proper. Then go in events block and use when flag clicked again, and then go to variables and set score to 0. Proper. Then go in line and then go to events block when flag clicked. Then go in control block and use forever loop. Then go in motion block and use set x to then go in sensing block and mouse X. Okay. Then go in. Okay. Actually, I did one mistake. This code was for paddle. So just put it in the paddle. Proper. And remove it from here. Yeah. You need to do the code of paddle. This code is for paddle. Then you need to go in events block and take when flag clicked. Then go in control block and use forever loop. Then inside forever, if then condition. Then sensing block touching. If it is touching the ball, then it should stop everything. So go in control and stop all. Bravo. So we have done the coding. Okay, so now let's test the app. So you see it's working very nicely, and if it touches the line then the game stops. So that's what we had coded. Okay, 1 second. So you see this game is working very nicely, and each time the ball touches the paddle, you see the score variable, it increases the score. And if I get out, then it touches the line. So if it touches the line, then the game stops. And then when I click on the flag again, it starts again. So this is the overall app or game. So thanks for watching, guys. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel Little Genius Chavi. Bye bye.